In 2022, in a rural district of India, an elderly woman was working near her home when a wild elephant suddenly charged in from the side, lifted its massive foot, and stomped her to death. Villagers, terrified, managed to drive the elephant away. But during the funeral, something chilling happened. The same elephant returned, still seething with rage. It stormed into the ceremony, shattered the coffin, and trampled her corpse all over again. The scene was beyond horrific. The old woman in India, trampled twice in one day, may have once joined others in chasing elephants away or throwing stones at them.